Hello students, standard 7th, chapter number 4, simple equations, in which we are doing the exercise number 4.2 and we arrived at the question number 3. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equations. The first equation is 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Now, there will be more than 2 steps also, or sometimes 2 or more than 2. So here you can see that n has 3 in the multiplication, so we'll keep that one first together. Only thus we have to remove. So now minus 2 is there, so we have to first add 2. So adding 2 on both sides of equation. So 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 46 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is gone, so we get 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 is 48. Now we have to remove 3 also to separate the variable. So 3 is in multiplication, so we have to divide it by 3. So dividing both sides of equation by 3. So 3n upon 3, 48 upon 3. So here 3 and 3 will be cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 1 remaining, 3 6 are 18. Therefore, n is equal to 16 is the solution. So step by step, first we have to separate it to get the answer. Second one, B is 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. So here also, first plus 7 we have to remove, so we have to subtract by 7. So subtracting 7 from both sides of equation. So 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 17 minus 7. So 7 and 7 gone here, so 5m is equal to 17 minus 7 is 10. Now you can see that m is multiplied with 5. So we have to divide by 5 on the both sides. So dividing both sides of equation by 5. So 5m upon 5 is equal to 10 upon 5. 5 5 is cancelled and 5 1s are 5 2s are. Therefore, m is equal to 2 is the solution. And as I told you in the beginning also, when you find the solution, you can check also whether your answer is right or wrong. Here you got m is equal to 2. In the LHS, put m is equal to 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 7 RHS also 17. So it is the solution. Number 6. The third one is 20 P upon 3 is equal to 40. Here you can see that there is numbers both in the numerator and in the denominator. So step by step, we can first remove 3 by multiplying both the sides by 3. Multiplying both sides by 3. So 20p upon 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 40 multiplied by 3. So we get 20p is equal to 120. Now we have to divide the both sides by 20 to remove the 20. Dividing both sides by 20. So 20p upon 20 is equal to 120 upon 20. 20 gone. Zeros are cancelled and 2 6s are 12. So P is equal to 6 is the solution. Now here D you can do for homework. It is same like this C, that 20p upon 3 in place here. It is 3p upon 10 is equal to 6. So similarly, so D is for the homework that you can easily do it. Now question number 4, solve the equations. So now you are familiar with the steps. So in the beginning we write down all the steps, then what we are going to do. Adding falana both sides, subtracting digna both sides, multiply by. Now we don't need to write down them. That thing you have to just think in your mind and apply this. So here the first one is 10p upon 100. So now we know that we have to divide by 10, but we don't write down, just do whatever needed. Means, therefore 10p upon 10 is equal to 100 upon 10. Just do the step, don't mention the steps. Here 10 cancel, 0 is cancelled. So p is equal to 10 is the solution. Very simple now. In the beginning, you had new things, therefore you will be writing down the steps. Here, now you have to directly apply the steps. Second is 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. So now first we will subtract 10 both sides. So 10p plus 10 minus 10, 100 minus 10. Therefore 10p is equal to 90. So now divide by 10, 10p upon 10, 90 upon 10, 10 gone. So p is equal to 9 is the solution. C. P upon 4 is equal to 5. Very simple. Here it is in division, so we have to multiply. Therefore, p by 4 multiply by 4 is equal to 5 multiply by 4. 4 is cancelled. So P is equal to 5 4s are 20 is the solution. So now it is easier and faster. In the beginning you will write down the steps. What are you doing? Now D. D is minus P upon 3 is equal to 5. So now we have to multiply by 3. So minus P by 3 multiply by 3, 5 multiply by 3. So here minus P is equal to 15. Now remember, if there is minus sign with the variable, you can change the sides, change the both sign. So changing side, both changing sign, so we get P is equal to minus 15 is the solution. So here when there is a minus sign with P, you can change the sign both sides. So minus will become plus, plus will become minus sign. Then number E. E said 3P upon 4 is equal to 6. So now, therefore, 3P upon 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 6 multiplied by 4. So 3P is equal to 24. Therefore, 3P divided by 3. 24 divided by 3. 3 cancel, 3 8s are 24. Therefore, P is equal to 8 is the solution. Then we take number F. 3S is equal to minus 9. So divide by 3. So 3S divide by 3 is equal to minus 9 divided by 3. So you get S is equal to minus 3 is the solution. Take the next one, G. 3S plus 12 is equal to 0. First we will remove 12. So 3S plus 12 minus 12. 0 minus 12. So 3S is equal to 0 minus 12 will be minus 12. Now divide by 3. So 3S divide by 3 minus 12 divide by 3. So S is equal to minus 4 is the solution. H. In H there is very simple. 3S is equal to 0. So dividing by 3, so 3S upon 3, 0 upon 3, but 0 upon 3 is 0. 3 is cancelled. So S is equal to 0 is the solution. Very simple. Then I. 2Q is equal to 6. So here it is 2, so we have to divide by 2. So 2Q divide by 2 is 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. So Q is equal to 3 is the solution. And as I told you, every time you can check the answer if it is right or wrong by substituting. You see that 2 3s are 6. Here 3 4s are minus 12 plus 12 0. Here 3 multiplied by minus 3 3s are 9 and minus 9. So these equations are such that you can check your answer immediately also. Next, J. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. So now 2q minus 6 plus 6. 0 plus 6. Therefore 2q is equal to 6. So divide by 2 now. So 2q divide by 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2. 2 is cancelled. So q is equal to 3 is the solution. Now there are K and L, I think you can easily do. So K and L you can write down in your homework. So here we are going to finish today's session and it will be followed by PDF file. You will write down all the sums. Any problem, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.